Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto into your RedotPay. So you can use it to spend via their virtual or their physical card. So to be able to deposit any cryptocurrency, we first need to have the RedotPay application downloaded. So you just have to download it. And now to deposit crypto, go to the plus icon, which is going to be the black deposit button. Then you can choose what cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. So I'm going to deposit Bitcoin. Then I'm going to deposit via BTC on chain. Then we have a barcode or a Bitcoin address in here, which we can either scan or copy. So I'm going to copy this Bitcoin address and I'll head over to my external wallet. So here in my external wallet, I'm going to click on the Bitcoin and we'll do this. We'll go ahead and send it. So just click on the send icon and then we can then select how much Bitcoin in dollars that we want to send over. So I'll just be sending $20. So we can then click on continue and then it's going to ask for a BTC address, which we can go ahead and paste from the RedotPay. So after that, there is a preview button at the bottom. You have to click on that to be able to see the details. Then after that, just click OK and we can then confirm the transaction. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!